Do you like going to the gym?
Do you know how to talk about exercise and fitness in English?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural conversation about going to the gym.
You'll learn useful English expressions for exercising, using gym equipment, and talking about fitness.
Let's get started. Paul, are you going to the gym today?
Yes, I am. I'm planning to go after work.
What time are you going?
Around 6 o'clock.
That's a good time.
Do you want to come with me?
Sure, I need some exercise too.
Great. Don't forget your gym clothes.
I already packed them.
What about your water bottle?
Oh, I almost forgot it.
Good thing I reminded you.
Thanks. We're here.
Great. Let's check in.
The gym looks busy today.
Yes, there are a lot of people.
That's okay. We can still find some equipment.
What do you want to do first?
I'd like to warm up.
Good idea. We can walk on the treadmill.
How long should we warm up?
Maybe 10 minutes.
Okay, let's start.
Do you use the treadmill often?
Yes, I usually walk for about 20 minutes.
Do you run too?
Sometimes, but I prefer walking.
That's fine. Walking is good exercise.
Exactly.
I'm going to increase the speed a little.
Okay, don't go too fast.
Don't worry, I'll take it easy.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Great. Let's continue for a few more minutes.
Sounds good.
What should we do next?
Let's do some strength exercises.
Okay, which equipment should we use?
We can start with some light weights.
How many should I do?
Try 10 repetitions.
10 repetitions. Got it.
Keep your back straight
Okay.
and move slowly.
This is harder than I expected.
Haha, take your time.
I need a short break.
Sure, have some water.
Thanks. How often do you go to the gym?
Usually 3 times a week.
That's great.
I want to become stronger and healthier.
That's a good goal.
What about you?
I want to exercise more regularly.
You should make a simple workout plan.
That's a good idea.
You don't have to exercise for hours.
Right. Even 30 minutes can help.
Exactly.
The important thing is to be consistent.
I completely agree.
I think we're almost finished.
Yes, let's cool down.
We should stretch too.
Good idea.
My legs feel tired,
Mine do too.
but I feel good.
Me too. It's nice to finish a workout.
Let's drink some water.
Definitely.
Are you coming again tomorrow?
Maybe. I'll see how I feel.
Okay, I'll probably come on Saturday.
Sounds good.
Let's review some useful expressions from today's conversation.
I'm going to the gym.
Use this when you want to talk about going to exercise.
Let's warm up.
Use this before starting your main workout.
Take your time.
Use this to tell someone not to hurry.
I need a short break.
Use this when you need to rest for a little while.
Let's cool down.
Use this after exercising to slowly relax your body. These expressions are useful for talking about exercise and fitness. Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for talking about going to the gym.
Use these expressions aloud to improve your English listening and speaking skills.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Question of the day.
How often do you exercise?
Tell us your answer in the comments below.
Thank you for learning with Everyday English Learning. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.